What's up, guys? Adam Steele here at the Warehouse Gym. We're gonna run you through the lat lowrider, the low row over here, the ISO variation with the swivel double axle handles. I'm gonna give you a demonstration. Mel's gonna help us out as well. So let's walk through it and I'll show you guys the best way to attack this thing. So as you can see, it has a great standard seat that is multi-wheel adjustable. It slides up and down the shaft. It's really easy. I like to set myself kind of mid-high because I really want the handles to kind of come at a low angle. So with this also, we have a pivot point with the shaft. So depending on your height, you can get a little bit closer grip, angle down, or you can lean back and get, more straight upright, which, is pretty good for me. I'm about 6 feet. I have a pretty long reach right there. So with good weights here, you're able to come into it and you can do a single. As you can see, it's a multi-pivot. Real nice. You can hold on, get a full stretch, bring it down and out just like so. Also too, you can go from the other side, you can go overhand, you can do full supination, transition from pronation. Then also, you can go two hands and bring it in. As you can see, really good contraction with the back there. And I'm getting good mid, upper, rear, lower. If I want, come up a little higher, okay? I can really start to get into the low. Right there. A good rule of thumb on this one, guys, is when you bring your arm back, if it's at about a 90-degree angle, not too acute, not too obtuse, not too inside, not too outside, you really get a nice contraction in the lower lat. So definitely check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, let us know below. Reach out to us on all of our platforms, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, our website, email. You can even text and call this gym. So definitely check them out. We're happy to show you all these variations if you have any questions on the War Machines. But here are your War Machine tutorials, so don't forget to fuck with it.